Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh with tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. You're reading your script smoothly and suddenly you're stumbling all over the place. It's that one sentence you have to read 2 or 3 times before you get it. It may be a word or a phrase that just doesn't seem to work. These are things that interrupt the flow of copy. It's a narrator's job to make copy come across smoothly and sound natural as possible. Practice difficult phrases like these 2 or 3 times with a wine cork, or better yet, the SpeechMaster Pro between your teeth. I think you'll find this practice to be the cure for your eye stutter. Join me for Mojo Friday on the first and third Friday of each month for tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's time to get your mojo working.